this guide, I'm going to show you how to invite players to Convoy here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to go ahead and open up the pause menu first. So go ahead and simply just hit pause. And let me actually get this real quick first. But hit pause, and once you hit pause, it should by default just put you on this main page right here. You can tick over to the online tab. And once you're in the online tab, you can see Convoy right in this left-hand section. Go ahead and select that, or you can go into social as well and open that up. Tab over to your friends list or your recent players list and essentially just go ahead and find whoever it is that you want to invite, select them, hit invite to Convoy just like so. You can also invite them quickly by just highlighting them like I'm doing right now or hovering over them and then hitting like Y on Xbox, triangle on PlayStation, or Y on keyboard. As soon as they accept that invite, they'll go ahead and be in your Convoy and you'll see them in here alongside yourself. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.